I am in front of the Douglas County Jail where the number of inmates is way over the initial expectation. This is a reflection of the violent crime rate in Kansas and for the country, where violent crime rate has been increasing significantly for the past 3 years. A couple ways to prevent heart-related diseases are annual checkups with your physician, daily exercise, and healthy nutrition. In the past, DACA students were able to study abroad with proper considerations. Now, KU is recommending that they don't study anywhere that will take them outside the U.S. By housing inmates in other jails, this is going to cost a lump sum of money. Some may wonder where this money is coming from and how much we're talking about. Each year, KU releases its annual security report that shows data of crime both on and off campus. KUJH reporter Lauren Davidson found while the numbers of cases of stalking and rape have increased, not many groups on campus are willing to talk about these trends. Expect some new educational approaches in your local public school because Kansas is changing things up. The state school board is starting a new project they call Kansans Can, saying the 100-year-old way of doing things currently in schools needs an update, trying to fix a long-lasting K-12 funding controversy. Some members will begin to meet today to develop a new financial plan. KUJH reporter Madison Coker is at Free State High School in Lawrence. Madison, what's on their plates?
Kansas legislatures are scrambling to fix the school budget.
Police say there was no actual threat at this Home Depot, but of course, if you see something, say something, just for safety precautions. I'm Caroline Burkard, 13 News.
Washburn University Law Clinic gave back to the community earlier today. 13's Caroline Burkard shows us what services Washburn had to offer.
Much of the community is not able to afford an attorney for legal advice, so Washburn University Law Clinic decided it was time to give back.
Students who are third-year law students under the supervision of licensed attorneys represent low-income folks who have a variety of legal needs.
The services are free with the help of third-year law students who volunteer.
This is a way to give back to the community, to help people who have served our country, and to increase access to justice in the legal system.
Their goal is to help people that might have trouble seeking employment due to criminal records, as well as increase their income and the quality of their housing.
Services that will hopefully help people feel more secure about their futures and improve access to many other opportunities as well.
In Topeka, Caroline Burkard, 13 News.
Is doing something they've never done before for American Heart Month. 13's Caroline Burkard reports.
Stormont Vale Health celebrated American Heart Month by hosting their first free heart screening event. They gave free screenings and provided education on how to keep a healthy heart and prevent heart-related diseases.
Not only are we screening patients for these high-risk risk factors, but we're also getting the opportunity to provide them with education on things such as smoking cessation, weight management, physical activity, and behavioral health.
People from 50 to 70 years old are at a higher risk of heart diseases, but anyone was welcome to get tested. A couple ways to prevent heart-related diseases are annual checkups with your physician, daily exercise, and healthy nutrition. Families who have a history of heart diseases are at a higher risk, but having a healthy lifestyle helps fight against these diseases. Reporting in Topeka, Caroline Burkard, 13 News.
The clinic did more than 150 screenings today.
When the Douglas County Jail was first built in 1999, it was built as a projection of where the county would be for the next 20 years. The county is hitting that mile mark, and after a substantial rise in crime rate, the jail is way over capacity. The county started a few new programs and have been farming inmates to other jails, but it isn't helping at the rate they hoped.
Running out of spaces for programming, mental health issues are constantly coming upon us, along with medical issues. So we're at different facets, so that's where we're kind of looking at what do we need in the future.
If they expand, they will enlarge the female housing, the special needs unit, and pre-class unit.
We're way past need, and we got to do something.
Douglas County Administrator Craig Weinog says if the expansion decision is passed, it could cost up to $45 million. With this decision, he wants the county to know that it would make a difference in order to help the over-incarceration.
So my frustration is that in our effort to be able to continue those things, that the national dialogue about over-incarceration has caused the community of Douglas County who care about those things to say, we don't want to be a part of over-incarceration.
The money would come from either sales tax or property tax. The decision will be based on a vote by Douglas County voters.